Number 1. I was never very good at studying. Some of the subjects I really hated in school were mathematics and science. They were too difficult for me. But I did enjoy PE, as I am a big sports fan. I was also a member of the tennis club. I even won a trophy when I was 14. Sports were my favourite part of school. Number 2. I work in a kitchen, and I always loved cooking. At school, there was a home economics teacher called Mr. Smith. He taught me so much about cooking, lessons that I remember to this day. He was my favourite teacher at school because he was so kind and patient. Not all of my teachers were so nice. Ms. Brown, for example, was really scary, and she would shout and scream at the class almost every lesson. Number 3. I always found computers and modern technology really difficult, so my IT class was always the hardest one for me. I much prefer using my hands and working with tools, so I enjoyed the woodwork class. Now I'm a carpenter and I never have to use a computer. Number 4. My friends hated studying at school, but I always loved taking tests. English was my favourite subject, and I loved practicing English every day. The only thing I didn't like about school was the food. I really hated the school lunches. I thought they tasted really bad. And lunchtime was too long. I wanted to get back to studying. Number 5. I was class president at school, and I really enjoyed my role and the responsibility. I liked talking to students, teachers, and parents, and finding a way to help everybody. I am a teacher now, and many of the skills I learnt as class president are very helpful to me. I never liked summer vacation, as I felt I was wasting time. I always wanted to get back to school.